We decided to partner with Cal State, Sacramento, and School of Nursing to put together a clinical refresher for our nurses in the county so that they would feel better and more confident when we need to go into a shelter situation.
We realize that we are stronger together and want to make sure that we're providing our community with the support that our community deserves.
When they move into this situation that's different than their normal work day, that they have that comfort level and they're able to provide safe and effective care to our residents. So this training is really important so that we are equipped to do that.
So we were really lucky. A large number of volunteers from Sacramento County were willing to help out, and they've been able to not just donate their time, but donate their expertise, because they're going to be facilitating these stations and teaching their coworkers. We went through a little bit of didactic information as far as taking care of non-obvious emergencies in a shelter situation, but we're also going to be practicing some hands-on skills, basic patient assessments, mobility, how to use some of the equipment, and then how to use some of the first aid equipment that's going to be available to these nurses.
It's been nice for how receptive the nurses are, and they're excited to learn and refresh.
Something that I, even before this, really wanted to learn was wound care, so I'm really glad that we got to learn.
I think it's very important because as public health nurses, we may have to respond to a disaster and be responsible for the shelters, and we need to make sure that our skills as nurses are up to date.
It's really important to have these trainings so that when a disaster does happen, we're not trying to scramble and try to learn everything, and that we're as prepared as possible.
Yeah, I think this is very important for the community. An individual nurse who are in a hospital is responsible for a patient, but a public health nurse is responsible for the community.
It's just nice that everyone's coming together. We realize how important this is.